Vector images are the number one option when designing or creating a logo or illustration. Because of the way images are created and saved, you will have more flexibility with making changes and be able to use your images at a variety of sizes. Some designers don't aware of the power of vector shapes. However, as soon as they know, they love it. And they want to use the power of vector shapes in every artwork they do. We as designers use vector graphics in designing logos and signs, typographies, pictograms, illustrations, collages, t-shirts, textiles, mascots, stationery sets, brochures, menus, web designs, animations, games, and many more uses.